Hello friend, welcome to the Descriptive English Preparation platform which provides you with the fastest evaluation mechanism by experts and the highest number of descriptive marks for better practice. Friend, we provide you with the most probable essay topics for each such exam that has a descriptive English paper. Our guess hits to the bullseye, and so the aspirants for this paper rely on us. They rely on our holistic preparation. Friend, in this video, I am bringing to you 30 most probable essay topics for the examination. Please do prepare on them. Dedicate at least 1 hour's time to collecting requisite facts and figures in support of the recommended topics. Until the first phase of the exam is over, please practice writing on at least 2 topics a week, not in 200 words but in at least 400 words, despite the fact that last year the word limit for the essay writing was only 200 words. Friend, you should keep in mind that you should analyze only the relevant topics and then discuss the topics with your friends. Discuss all the pros and cons of the topics. In fact, you should not spare even a single aspect of the relevant topics that you go through. In this way, your preparation will always be there on the right track. Please follow all this. Now friend, let's get started. Please note all the essay topics and do as I have instructed. Friend, the first important essay topic that seems to be very much important is inflation is rising in the country. Give reasons and suggest measures to curb it. Friend, the second most important topic that seems to be asked in the examination is undoubtedly National Interlinking of Rivers Authority, that is to say NIRA. Its objectives and challenges. Friend, this topic is very much current and you should prepare on this topic. Okay. The third essay topic is raising the age of marriage of girls from 18 to 21. Advantages and disadvantages of this. Okay. The fourth essay topic is will the country bear the brunt of the second lockdown, keeping in mind the increasing number of corona variant patients? Give reasons. Okay. Well, the fifth one is clean energy is the future energy of India. How is the country ready for it? Okay. Friend, the sixth essay topic is reviving the tourism industry in India after the COVID-19 pandemic. Obviously, now that this industry is gaining momentum at present. Friend, the next essay topic is internal security, center-state relation. Okay. Friend, the eighth essay topic is drug trafficking and threats. Okay. The next essay topic is target killing, a new phase of terrorism. Friend, this topic is very much new. You should prepare on this topic as well. Friend, the next essay topic is cryptocurrency and the RBI. Okay. And the next topic is also relating to the same, that is virtual currency and SEBI. Friend, then online voting, advantages and disadvantages. As we know that in 5 states elections are going to take place, and so the topics may be asked relating to that area. Okay. Next essay topic is India is the fastest growing unicorn hub next to the US and China. Okay. The 14th essay topic is that yoga practices can combat viruses. Okay. So you should prepare on this topic. The 15th essay topic is Indian startups, which is touching new heights. Okay. The next one is vocal for local. This seems to be important, and the next one is one nation, one election. Okay. Artificial intelligence need and challenges is the next essay topic, which seems to be very much important. You should prepare on it. Okay. And next important topic is Indian banks, defaulters and debt recovery. Okay. And the 20th essay topic is hybrid warfare, new strategy. Okay. So this topic is also important. And the 21st important essay topic is uniform civil code and the challenges before this. Okay. in the entire country this topic is being talked about a lot, and so this seems to be very much important. This 22nd important essay topic is secular India, a myth or a reality. Okay. 23rd essay topic is India is touching new heights in solar power generation. Friend, the topic is very much important. And next essay topic is Indian culture turning out to be global. How? You should explain it. Okay. Next essay topic is patriotism is uniting India. Explain. Okay. Next essay topic is India as a space power in the world. Okay. So, you should explain, you should mention in your essay topic how India is going to be a superpower in this particular sector. Okay. The next one is Corona, School and Children. Okay. And the 28th one is Clean India Mission. The 29th one is social media advantages and disadvantages. This topic however has been asked in the previous exams. It is still very much relevant. So, you should also write on this particular essay. Okay. The 30th and the last essay topic is fake news is a challenge to the internal security of the country. Okay. So, friend, these are all that are highly important for your exam. So, write an essay on each of them and get it evaluated by experts for necessary improvement. Visit our site www.bankviz.com to keep updated. Don't forget to attempt a mock along with its evaluation by our experts absolutely for free. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.